Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make these chewy flapjacks. First, start by putting 170 g of golden syrup, 160 g of light brown sugar, and 200 g of butter into your pots and stir with low heat. Turn off the heat when it just starts to boil. On another bowl, add 300 g of porridge oats and 65 g of plain flour and mix it well. Once that's mixed, add your golden syrup and butter mixture. At this point, you can add any toppings you'd like. I am adding sultans. Once everything is mixed well, put it on your baking tray and flatten it. Bake for 25 minutes in 180 degrees. Thank you all for watching. If you liked this video, press the like button down below, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, press the subscribe button and put on notifications.